Hey, thank you for joining me for your June 29th astrological forecast. My name is Kat. You're watching the Soul Sister channel. I am an accredited astrologer of over 25 years, a spiritual life coach, and tarot reader. My gig is using astrology as a tool to help us recognize energy so that we can learn to use it consciously in our lives so we can create the lives we want. I have been working with it for over 25 years. I have had excellent success, and I want to share what I know with you. Let's get started by taking our 3 deep cleansing breaths that will help us align, balance, and get connected with our higher selves. Let's take the first one. On this first deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our physical etheric bodies. Second breath. On this second breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our emotional astral bodies. Third breath. On this third deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our mental bodies, both higher and lower. We see all the disease, negativity, toxicity flowing out of our bodies, and we see it being replaced. We visualize this beautiful white light that fills our entire bodies and then goes out and forms a protective bubble around us. And this bubble is deflecting all evil, low vibration, and negativity right back to where it came from. Now, while we're in this space of white light, we are going to say our Cancer affirmation, as above, so below. The entire universe is contained within me, and from that space, I grow and glow. Let's say it together. We're going to say, in this space of white light, connected with our higher selves for 5 seconds. Let's do it now. As above, so below. The entire universe is contained within me, and from that space, I grow and glow. Yay! And just to review what it means, what our little meditation is about, first of all, we want to clear out all negativity from our physical bodies, this thing. And then we also have an energetic body that goes out about 3 feet beyond our physical bodies. We want to get that cleared out, all the negativity cleared out of that. We also have our emotional bodies. That's where we're dealing with all these feelings yesterday and again today. We also have our astral bodies. That's where we actually go when we dream. That gives you an idea what plane that is. That plane holds all thought, all feeling, positive, negative, whatever. It all goes there. So we want to make sure that part of ourselves is cleared out of any negativity. And then we have our higher and our lower mind. Our lower mind is our brain, our processor. Our higher mind is where we contact our higher self, where we connect to that part of ourselves that's greater than what we can experience in this physical body. One of the big points of this life is to get connected with that part of ourselves that is greater than what we are experiencing now, so we can start pulling off that energy and off that resource to help us have a more balanced and aligned and harmonized life. Duh, that was hard to say, right? So those are the bodies that we are working on. And then our affirmation, it is the season of the higher self, of getting in touch with our higher self, of developing and growing that relationship with our higher self. So our affirmation talks about the entire universe being contained within us, as above, so below. It is everything that we see is contained within us. And from that space, we grow. From that space, we grow. But we have to learn how to access it. We have to learn how to use that resource that we have. And that is what this whole season of getting connected with our higher self is all about. So there you go there. Did you like yesterday? Did you like all the emotions? Because guess what? Yeah, today's just a repeat of yesterday. So how did we do yesterday? Because today we get to look at everything is basically the same. We have lots of emotional drama going on, a lot of unresolved, unbalanced, out of whack emotions flying around out there. I hope we were able to stay above the fray yesterday. We're going to need to continue to stay above the fray today. That we have Venus a little in conjunct with Venus and Jupiter. That just tells us lots of hurt feelings, lots of oversensitivity. So be aware of that for today and continue from yesterday of taking the high road, of staying above the fray. So trying to be objective with our emotions so that we don't go into the abyss, because it's open for business today. The abyss is open and it's just can't wait to take us down with it. So keep going that way. Let's see what our guides would like to share with us today as far as advice for this Tuesday, June 29th, to help us continue to try to move objectively through our emotions so that we can resolve them, we can heal them, and kick them out of our closet. Gotta laugh about it. Remember, we still have Venus and Leo. Don't forget Venus and Leo. We can still be kissing on our honey bun. We don't have to forget about that. We can still share our emotions with our honey bun, those good ones, those mushy ones, those passionate ones, those passionate emotional kisses. Okay, first word from Spirit today is breathe. Perfect advice for an emotionally wrought day. Remember to breathe. Do our deep breathing. Yin. So yin is our feminine energy. It's a time to be receptive. It's a time to take in. It's a time to observe today. It's not a time to jump into the emotional drama that's going on, to push our feelings out there and our opinions out there. It's time to remain centered and quiet and breathe. Oh, soulmates. Venus and Leo. Do we know who our soulmate is? Don't forget our soulmate. And don't forget to tell them, not only today, but every day, how much they mean to us, how much we love and appreciate them, how much we care for them, we appreciate their support. Let's do some giving and really share our love with our partner today in all its many forms. Great stuff. So hang in there. Don't let the abyss get its way with us today. Stay above the emotional fray. Do something sweet and lovey and mushy for our honey bun today. And remember, everyone, life is lived from the inside out. Hang in there. Make it a good Tuesday. Come check out my July forecast if you didn't check it out yesterday, okay? Take care, everyone. Enjoy. Namaste.